welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you all of my Bath and Body Works candles that I bought. So they had their semi-annual sale going on, and I'd gone to the mall with my mom, just randomly shopping for her, and then I saw that they had a sale going on. So I was like, I need to go buy me some candles. And I picked up quite a lot of them, and most of them from the 50% off section. So let's jump right into it. The first one that I picked up is called Oceanside Garden, and I absolutely loved the packaging of this one. This has that leafy pattern that would blend so well with my room, and I just picked this one up for the packaging first and then the fragrance. And I just thought this would blend so well in my room because that's like the theme going on, and this smells like crushed flowers, not really jasmine, but like really sweet flowers. It's very sweet and florally, and it's also very fresh. It smells like a fresh floral garden, and it's very nice. It's not too sweet that would give you a headache. It just smells very fresh. That's what I would explain this fragrance to be, and I loved that this was 50% off. Oh my god, they're so expensive otherwise. Next we have this one. It's called Mahogany Teak Wood, and this one I picked up for the fragrance. It smells so woody and with a little bit of citrusy notes in it. It just has this really fresh yet a little dark, moody sort of a fragrance. I love wood tones, and this one smells so good. It smells so good. I can't really explain fragrance as well, but it would really lift up the room and would really give it this really fresh and moody sort of an atmosphere if you burn this one. And most of the candles that I got are the 3-wick ones. I find that the 3-wick ones like last longer, and they also throw off more of the fragrance in the entire room. Next, can you tell that I picked this one up just for the packaging? This is called Orchard Blossom, and this has a really nice marble packaging with a golden lid. And okay, what does this smell like? This smells like the bathroom in a posh hotel. That's literally what this smells like. Yep, it's a little salty. I actually really like this. It's a bit salty, it's a bit tangy, and it smells like an upscale hotel. That's the best way for me to describe this. And this one again would photograph so well. You know, when I'm taking like this flat lays and everything, this would look so nice in the background. Can you tell how happy that's making me? I've already burnt up most of a similar sized one. This one's called Stress Relief. It has eucalyptus and spearmint, and this is from their aromatherapy range. So I decided to get another one in the same size. It's called Fresh Water, and this one is a much more intense fragrance than the regular ones that I got. Even though this one is small, it has more concentration of perfume in it, and I love the smell of fresh water. It just smells fresh. Like, it smells like the ocean. It smells so salty and like tingly and fresh. Yeah, this smell would definitely like wake me up, and it's like a very nice pick-me-up sort of a fragrance. I'm sorry, that's the best I can do. Okay, we only have 2 more left. Okay, the next one is so beautiful. This is called White Gardenia, and this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, this one smells just like it's floral again, and I think gardenia is like a flower that has a really nice fragrance, and I think that's what this smells like. It's very similar to jasmine, very floral and sweet, and I also quite love the packaging. Okay, we have the last one now, and I think this one is my favorite. I made my mom smell everything, and I think this was her favorite too. This is called Mineral Springs, and this again is packaged so beautifully, and this smells like Okay, this is going to sound so wrong, but it smells, you know, that smell of a really freshly showered man that you have a crush on? You know, when their hair is all wet and they've just like applied their deodorant and they've just gotten ready to go to work. Do you know what that smells like? Like that sexy masculine smell. That's what this smells like. I can't believe I used that to describe this, but that's what this smells like. It's a very sexy sort of a fragrance. It's very fresh. It's very, this one's a bit salty as well. Oh, this is so good. I love the smell of this. Um, yeah, I think this again is a really nice pick me up sort of fragrance. Again, something that I would actually burn in the living room or the bedroom, and just to brighten up and lift up that space. That's everything. That's everything I picked up from Bath and Body Works. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul and found something that you would want to pick up. And I hope the sale lasts while I have this video up. And I think they're available online as well. So if I can find these things online, I'm going to try and link it down below in the description. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're wondering how I achieved this look, I actually already filmed it. It's actually episode 3 in my 2019 makeup trends series that I have going on. So that'll be uploaded soon as well. If it's uploaded, I'm going to link it down below. And if it's not, while this video is already up, then it's coming soon. But that's all. Thank you so much. I hope you're having an amazing new year, and I'll see you soon. Bye.